Hello and to welcome all to my series, the DIY jewelry series on my channel. Today I am going to be making polymer clay dangle earring. This will be like my first time making polymer earring, and I don't have the right equipment. I actually watched the video before starting off, and someone said that you don't really need the equipment. You just need like you could have like a round pencil. You don't need anything. You just need a round pencil, and you can find any circle or anything in the other shape from at home and cut it out. And yeah, no, that's wrong. You need to. It's easier if you have the equipment. Like if you don't need to have like the state of the art equipment, but like something small. Like the rolling pin makes it a lot easier. And as you can see, I'm struggling a lot here because I'm using all sorts of shapes, and it's just not working out. After this, I'm just going to disregard this and go on Amazon and buy some simple equipment for rolling out the clay. That's what I'm going to buy. I'm just going to buy the tray and the rolling pin, and then I'll be back again doing this whole thing. And I didn't have any circle shape, so I had to use like a water bottle cap. As you can see, I'm doing that right now. And then it left mark on it. It's my first ear item that I made, so I don't really care. But if you're trying to be really serious with this, I say start off buying the right equipment, so you don't get frustrated, because I was getting really annoyed during making this. So this is a different day. Just kneading it so that it could be mendable. Like the clay was soft, but not soft enough. So this is what I just do to make it like to warm it up with my hand. And now I'm using like, this wasn't a very good equipment, but it was cheap. So, and it helped me get the job done. So I don't care. Yeah. So and then I brought yeah, I actually did this a few times because the shape wasn't coming out properly, and it was sticking to the board, which was annoying because when I take it out, it gets bent out of shape. And after a while, I just didn't care. I was like, okay, that's good enough. I did the second one, put the hole, and then I put it in the oven. It's pretty easy. It was just a circle, so that's it. Something I noticed when I was making these was that I made the clay really thin, which is a newbie mistake, but it's okay. It's not a big deal. I say that a lot, but it's not really not a big deal. It's learning process. I actually still like it, and I still have the earring, and I still wear it. So yeah. This is the next day wherein I cooked the polymer and the clay, because when I took it out of the oven, it was pretty soft, so I had to leave it set for a while for it to harden. And I'm just filing the edges because the cap left some ugly marks on it, so I'm using like a sandpaper. I don't think this is the right sandpaper for it, but It's what I could find at home, so I'm using that to kind of file it down to make it look less ugly. And it, because I cut it really thin, the polymer came with kind of crooked. I used resin to glaze it because there was a bit of like weird things coming out of the clay after I cooked it. It was kind of bumpy. It wasn't very smooth looking, and I didn't like that. So I used resin to give it a polished look, like a nail polish look, like very shiny. It was shiny look, like a shiny look. And I'm using my LED lamp that I got. I had this way before I decided to make earrings or make jewelry, so I'm really glad that I had this. For it, I press it again so that the resins could harden, and because the polymer were actually pretty, they weren't like solid. I don't know, I put it in the oven a few times and it still didn't come out very solid. Like it kind of I could move it. If I move it with my hand, I could move it and manipulate it, and I didn't like that, so that's why I put the resin on top, and that's what I'm doing. I didn't really show it here, but while I was waiting, I kind of already put the jump ring, or the jump ring, the small little jump rings onto the earring, but they were too small, so I had to put 2 jump ring for it to fit, because I put the whole, and it way too inside the, I don't know how to say it, but I had to use 2 jump ring and then place the hoop thing on. I don't know what it's called. Don't call me out. Leave me alone. I'll show you what I did here anyways, so you could understand what I was trying to say. So that's that. I'm finished here. If you like the video, please leave a comment or click the like button, and thank you. Bye.